Good morning everybody and welcome to my vlog.
Dito ka, Binbin. Come here. Yan o. Hi! Yan.
Ayan guys, sasama ka si Melvin.
As you can see guys, yung iba dito, ito gawa na ng tao. Kinatkat ang mga bato. But there are some over there. They are natural rock formation. Ayan o, ang ganda-ganda. Kombinasyon ng man-made and rock formation. Very amazing. Ayan guys, we're riding a shuttle right now going to the castle. Of course guys, all the way from Bosnia Herzegovina, and I'm here. And then I met staff over here. Hello. Yeah, si Madam. Yeah, igagayad nila tayo, Melvin. Oh wow, of course. Amazing to be here back in Philippines. Soft opening February 10. Ayun oh, say hi. Ayun oh, hindi magme-melt ang makeup ko, Neng. Dito na ba?
Ayan guys, pagkatapos ng registration, sasakay kayo ng shuttle going to the Treasure Castle. At iwanan ninyo ang mga sasakyan ninyo sa designated area or parking areas doon sa baba. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. For today, pupunta kami sa castle or sa isang palasyo ng mga dragon na Treasure Castle. Of course, Dragon Treasure Castle, the newest tourist attraction here in the beautiful city of Baguio. Hanapin ko ang treasure guys. Hanapin ko ang treasure dito sa palasyo. Of course, palasyo ng mga dragon. Ayan, hanapin ko ang treasure guys. Ayan, paakyat na si Bakla. Ayan, oh, hanapin daw niya ang treasure. Welcome to Dragon Treasure Castle. Wow! Ang laki pala niya guys. Ang laki. Wow, amazing.
Yan guys, may mga papasok-pasok dito na lagusan. Lagusan sa kagandahan ni Judea. Aray.
Pag dumaan daw kayo dito sa mga lagusan, gaganda kayo kasi may mga hiwaga dito ng kagandahan. Ito ang temptation place. Parang nakita niyo dito may mga treasure, a little bit of treasure. Yan makikita kong maganda ba yung mga kalooban or whatever. What amazing here guys is of course, this is a combination of yung mga bato-bato na gawa ng tao. I mean, you know, at saka may mga natural talaga, may mga natural stones formations. Kasi ako, mas na-amazed ako sa yung mga natural stones formations. Yun, mas nakaka-amazed yun.
Nakita mo ba yung temptation?
Of course, it's very amazing. Yes. What I like the most is of course, na-preserve yung natural stone. Yes. That's one of the things that na-amazed ako because of the natural stone. And of course, yung mga bato-bato, very nice. Oh, di ba?
Bali, handmade po yung ating mga bato. Tiniktik yan isa-isa.
Oh my God, yes.
So, pawis at dugo po ang ating puhunan sa ating bato.
Well, it's very amazing. I think this will be a really great tourist spot. The newest in Baguio.
True.
Of course, guys, come here na. Especially, I think, nighttime.
Yes.
What can you say about pag nighttime?
5:30 sunset.
Wow.
Yes.
Overlooking
Yes,
talaga.
overlooking.
Oh, no. As you can see over there. Wow.
Tapos pag natsambahan pa po nila sir yung Sea of Clouds. So,
Wow, Sea of Clouds. Wow. Ang ganda talaga dito. Wow. What's the inspiration of this castle?
okay, so as you can see, may flag po tayo dyan ng UK.
Ayan. UK flag. Oo.
So, according to owner, it's inspired at Windsor Castle po. So, sa appreciation niya sa Windsor Castle, naglagay po siya dyan ng flag.
Oh my God. Is he from United Kingdom?
No, nagbakasyon lang siya
Oh,
doon.
na-amaze siya.
Yes.
So, why not built here in the Philippines?
So, pagka-uwi niya, sabi niya, marami akong bato doon na.
Oo.
So, ba't di ko na lang din gawin na gano'n?
Of course, yes.
So, pinatawag po niya yung architect niya. Then, doon po nagsimula lahat.
Wow. Very nice. Another spot, a beautiful spot here in the Philippines, guys. As you can see, hindi lamang ito sa ibang bansa, no? As you can see, you can also experience the Sea of Clouds. Kung masaswerte kayo, makakaroon pa yung different colors, parang Aurora Borealis. Am I right?
Makikita din yung La Union.
La Union
yes,
dyan?
Yes.
Wow.
ang
Ang ganda
ganda.
talaga dito. Amazing. Nice meeting you.
Yes,
What's your
nice meeting
name?
you. Michelle po.
Michelle. Okay, punta kayo dito kay Michelle.
Hi.
Oo, yan si Michelle. Thank you, Michelle.
Yes po.
Rampa-rampa muna ako dito, Michelle. Yan, ayan guys. Inspiration pala ito na Windsor Castle in United Kingdom. Of course. Guys, as you can see, very nice. Yan, ito ang view here. Nakikita ninyo doon, nakikita doon ang La Union. La Union? Ito ang view ninyo. I think pag night time, ang ganda-ganda talaga dito, guys. Pag night time. Ayan, very nice. Makikita ninyo talaga. Very beautiful. Para tayo nasa ibang bansa talaga. Because of the weather. Because of the weather. And of course, I think pag nighttime talaga, amazing. Amazing view.
Ayan, inspiration para ito ng Windsor Castle. Kaya dapat magsalita ako ng hello para may accent ng ng mga taga UK like hello, good morning, and welcome to the Treasure Castle. Of course, guys, this is a very amazing place to visit in. If you like to drink water, we have water available downstairs. Pero mga amigos and amigas, what can I say about the place? Well, it's very amazing, it's very beautiful.
Welcome guys to Castle Treasure. As you can see guys, there's a flag of United Kingdom over there, and of course there's also a flag of the Philippines because it's here in Baguio City, the Philippines. This is actually the newest attraction here guys. Amazing. As you can see, maraming tao but it's undone pa, wala pa masyado, under construction pa some areas over there, not yet done. I think in a year time matatapos na ito, in a year time I think, but still on, it's already open to public. As you can see, hi, hello, what can you say about the place?
It's nice.
Oh wow, it's nice to be in the Philippines. Wow. Ayan, mga friendship.
Nicer than
ha.
mountain provinces.
Of course,
Coming over.
we need to love more the Philippines. It's more fun here, am I right? Yeah. They're mga turistas, guys. Ayun, as you can see, they're very happy traveling here in Baguio City, as you can see.
Well guys, very artistic ang pagkagawa. Ayan may mga structures na very intricate ang gawa. And of course, mga sculptures and the stones. Wow! These are beautiful stones, natural stones formation. As you can see guys, ang mga stone formation is really a must kept talaga ito, ganito lang, because these are one of the things that people would really be amazed with what they are seeing right now. As you can see, mga natural stone formations is one of the things that we need to preserve. Of course, very nice. Ayan guys, ang dami mga ibang lahi pupunta ngayon guys, even though it's soft opening.
Well guys, as you can see guys, may mga lagusan dito, and this rock formation is natural. Ang ganda rock formation talaga. Ayan guys, ang dami mga turista here. As you can see, they're doing the thing, pictorial purposes for everything, like Instagram, TikToks, and everything. As you can see, it's marami talaga mga masisikat. But it's not yet done. It's under construction. I think it will take around 1 year. 1 year time. Tapos na po itong construction dito. And as you can see, what's amazing right now is of course yung rock. Oh, fuck! That's rock. That's natural rock. Yan! It's natural rock. Amazing. Kombinasyon ng man-made and natural rock. Diba? Very nice.
Ayan guys, rumarampa-rampa si Bakla. What a very nice view. Ayan dapat nagsuot ako dito ng napakalaking ball gown. Dapat nag-ball gown ako, yung very huge, yung para sa mga princesses or sa mga queen talaga. Hindi pala princesses, sa queen, of course guys. Kasi nandito ako sa Dragon Treasure Castle. Dapat nag-gown ako. Well, sa owner guys, nagsasuggest ako maglagay ko ng napakalaking trono or upuan. Yung pwede upuan para mag-picture-picture ang mga tao. Yung napakalaki talagang trono. Pero ako una magpipicture, ha?
Wow, so
with my
beautiful.
gown. Wow, look at the view, guys. Amazing view for pictorials and any other forms of mga pictorials like for magazines, debut, cover shoots, and everything because of the skies meet the palace. Ayan the sky meet the palace. Ang eksena, ang ganda talaga rarampa-rampa dito. Very nice view. You know what, guys? Here in the Philippines, especially here in Baguio, ang ganda-ganda ng ambience and at the same time, very nice ang mga views dito wherein you can see the sky meets the land. The land meets the sky. Ganon. Kasi high rises ang mga places dito. Well, all I can say, as you can see right now, ayan pag nighttime, wow, makikita nyo kumukuti-kutitap ang mga paligid because of maraming mga houses, maliliit na houses sa mga gilid-gilid. Ayan, nakikita nyo everything. The sky meets the palace. This is a world-class view, guys. Kaya guys, I'm inviting everyone to come here. Of course, ma-amazed kayo dito. Even though now, hindi pa masyadong tapos, but still under construction pa some areas. But I know for the fact that pag natapos ito lahat, this would be a great place to visit in. Of course, guys, amazing place to visit in because as what I've said a while ago, the sky meets the land. The land meets the sky. Yan ang mga drama dito sa castle na ito. Wow, amazing. Ang suggestion ko lang sa owner, maklalagay ka ng malaking trono, ha? Gusto ko talaga yung malaking chair, upuan na trono talaga, na pwede ko upuan at saka pictorials.
There are a lot of mga turistas from all over the places coming here and they're really enjoying the place. Guys, beautiful. Yan, walk tayo over there. Melvin, what can you say about the castle? Ayan o. Is this your castle, Melvin? Is this your castle? Say welcome. Diyan ka mag-post, picture kita. Yan. Well guys, all I can say about the place is very nice, of course. As you can see guys, very beautiful talaga ang mga stone structures, as you can see right now. Very nice kasi para talaga siyang para siya nasa United Kingdom, as para talaga ako nasa United Kingdom. I think in 3 years or 2 years time matatapos na talaga ito, and this would be a great attraction here in the beautiful city of Baguio. Wow, as you can see, especially I think if pag night time, you can really see the views and everything here. And I think the construction would be like 3 years time, 2 years time more on. People will come here and visit this place. As you can see, it's very nice, guys. Para talaga tayo nasa United Kingdom because of the stone structures. Very amazing.
Parang yun sa mga pelikula, yung sa Game of the Throne. Yes, guys. Parang sa Game of the Throne ang drama.
There you guys, as you can see guys, hindi pa siya tapos totally. Ginagawa pa talaga. And I think this rock formation is very natural here. Hindi ito man-made. This part here, as you can see, this is natural rock formation. This is not man-made. Kasi akala ko it's man-made. It's natural. And this stone here, natural to, no? Okay. Wow! This is natural stone. Natural rock formation. Oh, diba? Amazing. Ayan, may mga butas-butas. Oh. Wow.
Dapat na-costume talaga ako dito, guys. Yung costume talaga yung para mga, yun sa mga warriors and mga princesses warriors. Wow!
Ganda kasi
mga
rock formation
stones.
to eh. This is natural. Ito yung sinasabi nila. Mga ano dito? Oh, wow.
Kabilaan. Kaya ayoko kasi hindi ako makapag-issue ko sa sarili. Paano nga kami ba? Diyan ka. Diyan ka.
Ayan guys. Walking here sa taas. As you can see. Mainit. Today. And of course. This is really his castle because it's gold. Very gold. Ayan o. Papinintura mo ng gold bean. Yeah. It's so gold. Bin, go away muna. Sige. Wow. It's very gold. Yeah. It's very gold here. As you can see, it's really a castle because it's gold. Yeah.
Ayan, guys. It's
Papunta sa
really
dulo,
a castle because it's gold. Ayan, si Melvin. Rumarampa-rampa din si Melvin. Ayan, pero ang totoo lang, hinahanap niya yung treasure. Hanapin mo treasure, B. Naku, ano ba yan? Mamaya, mababan tayo dito kasi nakahanap na ng treasure dito sa Dragon Treasure Castle. Of course, guys, amazing. Pero Melvin, hinahanap mo pa rin ng treasure. Wag na kasi nakatago ang treasure sa baul ni Judea. Ang treasure nakatago sa baul ni Judea. Ayan, si Judea naman hinahanap niya. Hindi niya hinahanap na ang treasure kasi alam niya na nakatago sa baul. Ang hinahanap niya yung trono. Yung trono kung saan ako uupo. Ayan, mapipictures ako sa trono. Ang treasure, guys, nakatago sa baul ni Judea. Of course, ang treasure nakatago sa baul and at the same time, nagbabantay ang dragon. Ang dragon, ayan nag-emo si bakla. Rampa ng rampa, pababay-babay-babay. Kaso lang hinahanap niya yung upuan ng ang trono. Yun ang hinahanap ko, ang trono.
Yes,
kasi upo ako doon.
Guys. Amazing. There you go guys, as you can see, makikita mo dito mga houses over at the cliff. Ayan ang daming mga houses. I think pag night time maganda dito, makikita mo. Different lights. Yan. Dito sa taas. And what amazed me the most is of course ito mga bato-bato because this is natural rock. Natural rock formation siya. As you can see, di pa siya masyadong tapos under construction pa, but it's amazing. It's amazing. Yan. Ito ang pinaka-pungkapin mga rock. Yeah, very amazing. Thank you. Bye. Yeah.
Registration mo sa baba.
Ayan. May shuttle, madam. I'm gonna get you, ha? Ayan, May shuttle and then... Tapos, madam, may shuttle and then registration muna kami.
Tapos, pagkatapos ng registration,
Bigyan mo
Oo.
van na ano.
Buksan mo. Happy Valentine's. Bigyan mo sa madami.
bibigay sa ito.
Buksan. Welcome here. Ayan, para tayo nasa Greece. Para nasa Greece. Yeah! Happy Valentine's! Nahulog yung ano. Maraming pandikit. Yan.
Doon na lang kayo sa baba.
Oo. Ay, dito kami, sa kabila.
Ay, dito.
Okay. Japan. Well, here at Castle, Dragon Castle, bongga na all the way from Japan. Oh, you see? Parang sa ano lang.
I-try nyo po, sir.
Japan, yeah.
Ayan, mga vending machine para sa Japan. Social, no?
Ayan si Melvin at Emo. Go na, Melvin. May mga accessories pa sila here. Oh, so beautiful accessories. Hello, good morning. Melvin, halika na.
Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. There are a lot of mga turistas from all over the world coming and visiting this place right
Okay,
now.
thank you very
Anyway,
much.
I would like to say thank you very much for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!